Alright, so what you just saw me make was this little pin down here. It holds this arm to tighten the belt. It's off a South Bend lathe. Probably could have made it, but a lot easier to just buy one for a couple of dollars. So what we got up here, we got a piece of 1/2 inch just rod coming through here. And I'm gonna make a little C, kind of a C, I guess you call it. And that'll have a hole in it with a threaded rod sticking out. And that rod is what'll go into here, so it's adjustable. And then you'll be able to move it in and out. If you don't understand what I'm describing here, just watch till the end and you'll see. So let's do it. Alright, here's the end of this video. Probably be a little short one. I think I went over this this tensioner here. Just bent this piece of rod and threaded it. It works like it should, just 2 cotter keys in there. Put that shaft on, wired it over here to the box for good. I got it plugged in, it works. Works pretty good, I think. For some reason, I don't know if one of you can tell me, but this oiler doesn't work. This one, you pour oil down in there and it works like it should, but this one, when you pour the oil in there, it pumps it back out. And I don't know what's causing that, so if any of y'all know what to do, it'd be greatly appreciated. All we got next is to make this tool holder, which I'm waiting on some saw blades for my little hacksaw I just fixed up. I need to cut a piece and I ain't got nothing to cut it. And then we'll make that, and then I need to get this center lined up because it's just, I took it off of here. It needs to be adjusted. So we'll do that in the next video, and then the one after that we'll be making some chips. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned.